Hello! So I decided that I wanted to make a collage table. So I got this coffee table from a thrift store for $30. Then I got this bottle of spray paint from Walmart. I only used one bottle of spray paint on the table, but it wasn't completely spray painted. So I would suggest getting 2 or maybe 3 if you're going to do this. So for the collage, I got a bunch of magazines and I picked out the pictures and I cut them out and I glued them on to the table with Mod Podge. If you don't have magazines, you can get some at Goodwill for pretty cheap. So after I glued everything down with the Mod Podge, I then took sprayable Mod Podge and I sprayed it on the top. So I made this mistake before, so this is a tip. You need to wait for the liquid Mod Podge to completely dry before you use the sprayable Mod Podge, or else the liquid will spray down and you'll be able to see the glue. So after I had sprayed down the table with the Mod Podge, it was finished. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.